Hey everyone, this is Funland Kids and this is the second part of the Doh Vinci Do Decor design kit. So I've got my colours out and you can see that we have green, purple, yellow and pink. I think that I'm going to start with the colour pink. So what I have to do is I need to take out this bit and I need to keep it somewhere safe. And I'm going to put this into here and I'm going to carefully put this in. And I'm going to very gently first see if this works on a little piece of of paper, and yes, it works very well. So I'm going to now start by putting it on something hard so that I can like press down on it, and you need to keep it exactly on the line. It's much harder than it looks. Okay, so I've got my first bit and I'm just gonna put this bit on. Okay, you have to be very careful with it. So I've done my first part and I'm gonna carry on with my flower. Okay. Sorry, my brother went over this. It's very hard to master, but it is great fun. So it's quite complicated. So I've started off very well, but somehow it's getting a bit more complicated than it did when I started. Okay, so now I have completed the first part of my flower. Now I'm going to copy and finish. So that's the first bit. So now I can get rid of my colour pink. And now I'm going to do the green. And I'll show you, I'll finish it and I'll show you when I'm done in my next video. Thank you. And if you want to see the latest new video, I can show you that video if you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.